Alright everybody, what you're looking at is the original tumbler for the tumbler. This is the round part that I had with the aluminum bracket on the back, and it basically did itself in. If you remember, I had just press fit these in. They took enough of a beating that it actually fell out, and all the media and everything fell onto the floor. Not terribly surprising. So what I'm about to cut, I just did an air cut to make sure it was going to do right, and it looks like it should be good. I'm about to cut, it's going to be a cross member to hold the container that's going to be the new tumbler, and it's quite a bit larger than the original coffee can that I was using, and I'll show you what that can is, but it's about 12 inches by 12 inches, and it's going to allow me to have a nice tumbling action to the media, but I need something rather large to hold on to it. So I'm going to cut a bracket out of this 1/4 inch plate. I'm going to end up needing 2 of these, and they're going to be the center hub, if you will, of a piece that has 4 pieces that come off of it and captures the entire container as it's spinning. So this is going to mate up with some 80/20, and we'll see how it goes. I'm going to be using the mister on this cut. I'll reposition the camera where you can actually see the cut, and I'm also using a single flute Onsrud carbide, I think they call it an O-flute bit, and I usually use a 1/8 bit, but I'm going to use a 1/4 inch on this particular job. so there's the finished or near finished part. On the back side you can see that I've left a little bit. I actually did the depth on this pretty I should have gone 10 thousandths under, and obviously because of it sitting on this piece of wood, it may or may not actually make that, so that's why it left these holes. It's not perfectly flat, but those are easy enough to pop out. I'm very pleased with the finish. If you can see the inside of that hole there, that is very, very good. That 1/4 inch bit has a lot less flex in it than the 1/8 of an inch. You can see a little bit of bouncing. Some of that's to be expected for this machine. It's not as rigid as it could be, but I am very pleased with the finish on that.